Across Singapore, more and more crypto traders are turning to AzaliumBit to trade with greater speed, accuracy, and confidence. With the help of smart AI automation and battle-tested strategies, users report smoother execution and more consistent trading outcomes compared to manual methods. Even those new to crypto are finding AzaliumBit approachable and effective, thanks to its simple, AI-driven approach that removes complexity and guesswork from decision-making. Now, early users have a unique opportunity to access new, unreleased strategies, available exclusively through the official link below. What is AzaliumBit? AzaliumBit is not a trend or a shortcut. It's a powerful, AI-powered crypto trading platform designed to automate your trades, enhance decision-making, and give you a clear edge in fast-moving markets. It continuously analyzes market trends, detects institutional trading patterns, reacts instantly to global events, and adapts strategies in real time, all while removing emotional bias and guesswork. Whether you're just entering crypto or already managing a significant portfolio, AzaliumBit gives you full control. Your assets stay securely stored on trusted exchanges like Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase, and you can pause, tweak, or test strategies whenever you want. Risk-free, still deciding? Try AzaliumBit's fully functional demo mode with zero commitment and see firsthand how it fits your trading style before connecting real funds. As Singapore's crypto trading landscape evolves, AzaliumBit is quickly becoming the go-to platform for traders who demand automation, performance, and control. Markets move fast, but with AzaliumBit, you move faster. Click the official link below to register, claim your welcome bonus, and start trading smarter today. Manual trading is outdated. AI trading is here. Welcome to AzaliumBit.